Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. And today we're looking at making questions with how. How long, how far, how often, how much, how old. For example, how long to ask about periods of time. How long have you been learning English? 1 year, 5 years, 10 years. How long will the journey take? 2 hours. Question with how far to ask about the distance from one place to another. For example, how far is it from Amsterdam to Paris? How far are the shops from here? How often to ask about the number of times something happens. For example, how often do you play tennis? Twice a week. How much to ask about the price of something. How much is a return ticket to Beijing? Or how much did you pay for your car? You can also use how much to ask about uncountable nouns. How much bread is in the cupboard? How much work have you done today? Or how many for countable nouns? How many people went to the party? And you can also ask how old to ask about someone's age. How old is he? How old are you? I am 21. English grammar? Questions with how? Easy peasy. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now.